yma efo'r Commodore Amiga A1200. Mae'n absolute carry o'r Amigas. Fel roedd y dad fi'n cael un. Ac mae pob amser cofio chwarae fe pryd roedd i bach. Chwarae Game Gods. Ac rip-off o Pac-Man o enw Mouthman. Oedd hwnna'n hwyl. Ac Etch-a-Sketch program arno fe hefyd. Mae Amiga yn just cyfrifiadur. Ond mewn cyd. Right, so bydd Paglion sy'n Rainbow. Oh, Rainbow, Rainbow. Ac kind of in Sorry. I was just wondering,
Smile, please. Yes, smile. Take your best time.
Really cool one.
Sydyn hoffi'r Amiga?
Dwi'n caru Amiga. Dwi'n wondering os dwi'n gallu actually fel cer allan i na. Mae fe bron i troi back ymlaen i cael yes. Commodore Mouse.
Mae'r mount i wedi marw.
Mae'r mount wedi rhedeg allan o factory. Ac Guitar Hero Legend. Uh-oh. Yes. How many more to? It's called on Edge of Cars, it's good welder. Sick trick. Oh no!
Sut ti'n hoffi'r game?
Yeah, mae'n eitha cool. Mae'n really galed that he actually control o'r spaceship on that. Just angen fel ffeindio cod smell in him. Uh-oh.
So James, beth ti'n chwarae?
Atari Jaguar.
Ooh, chwarae ar Atari Jaguar. Cyberman.
Nice.
Wow, edrych ar y control hynna. Huge.
Dominique efo Pong. James, ti eisiau chwarae? Right. Right,
We're trying to get to. Come on, go.
sut ti'n chwarae hyn? O, rhaid gweld. Oh my gosh. Hyn yn really... Wow, rwy'n methu gwneud hyn y lead fell. Oh, sut ti'n troi e lawr? Well, the speed. Rwy'n awful o hwn. Oh, na.
Let's go down and drop at the end.
Right, true. Oh, yeah.
And you've got to go back down.
Yes.
You jump over the plane. Run.
Yes. Oh, Anna! Oh, no! Yeah. Oh, dau pedwar. Mae hyn yn really galed e. Edrych ar y rhain. Hyn yn mor cool. Right, beth ti'n feddwl am Pong, James? Right, just go beth sy'n arall ni'n cael fan hyn te. Oh, Amiga A1200, mae dad fi'n cael un yn nhw. Yeah. Mae'n mor cool. Oh, Sinclair ZX Spectrum. Nice. Sinclair ZX Spectrum. Yn gwych. Ooh, mae VR fan hyn. PSVR. Oh, James. Dance for them. Woohoo! Oh, good old Wii. Oh, Dreamcast. Xbox 3.
See you later, Charlie.
Nice to see you all.
Oh, Sega Master System. I'm not sure, sorry. I think if you ask. Oh, jeez. Oh, 100 bit for the dad being trade on me. Television, did you?
Let's go to our PlayStation pad or something like that.
Hello. Oh, game down then. I just know. GameCube.
GameCube.
Yeah. Hear it?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, oh, you know, really cool moving in.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh, 100 game Guitar Hero attachment. Nice. It's kind of deep data.
Yeah, it's not too bad. So far, well.
Yeah. Very nice.
And I've got like all folds of like Iron Beasts.
Yeah.